This video is an update for the video I made a couple of years back about my workbench. Is this the most beautiful bench? No. Is this the most comfortable bench? No. If you don't have space, it gets the job done. Basic operation on this workbench are: you can clamp your stock, do some edge planning and face planning. I added this retractable Veritas hook, but you can use the bench dogs. On the other side, there is a removable stop for thinner stock. Chopping is quite easy in this position and comfortable. And when not doing project, you can use it to get in shape. I keep it in a vertical position so the footprint in the house is minimal. There are some requests for a build video, but I have no place to build another one. So I made this scaled model. The front component has a board that is bolted to the legs and another board that acts as a jaw with a bench screw. The large beam that you see under the screw is to keep everything fixed so it doesn't rotate and wiggle. The side panel for the edge planning is also bolted to the top rail and the leg. The bench top is held in place with wedged tenons from the legs. You can see all these details in the plans that are included in the video description. The small stretchers are added for strength and are also with mortise and tenon. The rails and legs, again, simple mortise and tenon. That is basically the construction. Is made of cheap wood from the local home center and built with hand tools. But if you don't want this thing in your place, you can take a bench hook and make it a tabletop workbench. Place this hook on a table that is against a wall, and with some added accessories, you can do almost all operation you can do on the workbench. I have this Veritas planning stop that is useful for thin and for thicker stock. I also made a homemade fence with a cam clamp that I printed that works really well. Or you can go with a more expensive stuff like this Veritas surface clamp. For small things, I made this simple sort of a clamp. I screwed a Veritas Wonder Pop to move one part, and the whole thing is very similar to a tail vise. It is quite suitable for securing small and thin pieces, and I almost always use it for grooves on my smaller projects. I hope this inspires you to create your own and have fun with your projects.